Hello friends, so in this tutorial we will see how to set the new password, right? So as I told before, so I hope you know the MVC structure. The first one will be the controller, second one will be the function, and third one will be the data that are received. So you can receive a multiple number of data throughout this variable. So to confirm that it will be received as an array, right? So I'll just make it as dollar underscore sorry dollar get code, right? So this will be getting as a code, right? Print underscore or dollar get code. So this is to show you that these variables will be set it as an array, right? So any variables which was set here, it will be coming as an array over here, right? So what I will try say is I will create a I need to create a hidden function, hidden form value, and then pass the code to it. Alright, so dollar underscore dollar get, okay, dollar Smarty of code equals dollar get code of 0. Remember, with respect to Smarty, anything you get or pass will be a array value, right? So any value that was set down here, it will be a array. Say for example, if you are having any other value, sorry, it should be here, you should have Control Shift C, right? So print underscore or dollar get code, right? So this is the general function of the uh, actual working model of the foreach2Bi Smarty, right? So first variable will be going to the, so after the URL, the first variable will go to the user, this is the controller, this is the function, and the others will be taken as the data to the variable, and it will be taken it will be received as a array, right? Fine. So just remove this. So this is Smarty underscore code. So return u double is to render uh, set password, right? So user slash set password comma dollar Smarty, right? Fine. So you need to go to set password, right? So go down to your user box, create a file here as set password .html, right? Open it. I just close the welcome page, forgot password, so these things will be closed, right? So I need only the password from here, just so I go to index.html from home, because it gives me a username and password, everything will be there. So I'll just remove this username, right? So password will be new password, enter new password, right? So this will be the hidden variable, so you will not get anything. Password is actually it is form hidden, right? So this will be code, and the value will be dollar code, right? So this value is from this variable, right? So this key will be automatically assigned to dollar code here, right? So I don't want a break over here, and this will be again code. So if the code is wrong, it will display an error, right? So password, yeah, so the password and code both should be validated, right? So just remove these two links, well and good, and should go to user slash set new password. Right, so the user controller will create another function called set new password. Right, and I will go for a validate. I'm not going to explain it again because it is again a repeatable variable. So I'll just use this again, right, which I used in login. Right, so I'll just use it again. Hope I have closed the things right. No. Right, I got another extra one. Right, so this will come. So this code is required and it should exist, right? So it should exist in user slash code and password is required alphanumeric. If everything is set, go to reset password. Okay, so I'll just make it in the same name, set new password. Right, so if redirect to user home slash index. So if everything is set, it will go to your login form, right? So from here itself you can take it, that's up to your choice. And if not, it should return a message saying that the code, so some error, right? So error in updating your password. Right, so it will return back to Smarty. So rest are the same codes, right? So I need to now write a model, update the password. So let's check first with the code and password whether both are set up, and then we will go to the next. Right, so we tell it to, right, we have not set the page variable here. Right, so the app goes to page, so make it a copy paste. So tell it to set password, set new password, so that will remain as the title. Right, fine. So if someone gives set new password, I will ask you to set new password. I need to change this value. This is login here. Actually it was supposed to be set new password. Alright, so if you go and see the source here, yeah, see there is a hidden variable that comes over here. Right, fine. Now I'm going to set my new password. I will say it as NEWPASSWORD. Right, so just remove these functions. Right, so if in case the code is wrong, right, so code is expired or whatever it may be, right, so if it is wrong code, it should say call to undefined method set password. Actually it was supposed to be set new password. Okay, Okay, I got the point. So why it came there was because I didn't give a enter. Alright, fine. So now the code will be minus with that C. Alright, you can see the code is minus with C. So now I'll be getting an error. The code does not match. The password is required. The password should be alphanumeric. Right. So if I say new password, now also my code will be wrong. Right. So if anything wrong is made on the code, so this will be avoided. Right. So it should be ended up with a C. Just give enter. It's preferable. So go to page source. You can see here you got the value as C. Right. So new password, if you set a new password, it will go to your user model called set password. Right. So here you go public static function new set password. Right. So here what you need to do is you need to update. Right. So you need to update two things. One is your password column and the code column. Both should be updated. Right. Not only the password column, the code column should also be updated. Right. So to update, we go back to here. You go back to mail. Right. And then go to model, look for update function. Right, here it is. Alright, so look for update function, space it. Right, so update underscore db equals $. So before setting the password, you need to hash the password. Right, so password $password equals password place to set $_ post of password. Right, so post password will be hashed and it will be stored in the variable $password. So here I'll just type it as main, table will be users, and column name will be password. Right, and column value will be $password. Right, so where code equals, this is column value, so $_ post of code. Right, so once this is done, we are saying we need to update the code also. So $code equals app ws2 rand code. So this is used to get a random code. Right, and then we will update code equals comma code. Right, fine. So update password, this will be update password pwd, and this will be update code. Right, so if these both are true, return $update underscore code. Right, so if these both are true, you will be getting back your action, whether the value has set or not. So we'll just make a note of the password and thing, right? So if it is set true, update code is set true, right? So this will be set new password, right? So I'll just change the name, set new password, right? If dollar set new password. Okay, so if it is returning true, it will go to index. If not, it will say a error in updating your message, right? So mostly it will not, you will not get anything like that. So where is my, yeah, it's here, right? So I'll set new password, new password, right? So if I just give, yeah, so my new password is set, right? So we can see it over here. I just give browse. I think it will be, should be logged out. Yeah, see my new password has been set, right? And my code is also set. Earlier my code started with 6 and ended with C, right? Check over here, started with 6 and ended with C. Now my password has changed, right? So if I for each Smarty, if I give my old password, which is only password, it will not work. Username password did not match, right? So if I give new password, it will work, right? Fine. So in the next tutorial we will see another important function of this another function. It's a plus of for each Smarty variables, right? So thank you very much.